Hello everyone, I am Maniata Sami. First of all, thanks for my mentor, Mr. S. Manoj. My project title is Signature Based Vulnerability Detection in Ethereum Smart Contract using Deep Learning. My STD goals is follows on 8 decent work and economic growth. Abstract developed a smart contract vulnerability detection using deep learning and pattern matching techniques. Focused deep learning models, CNN algorithm and LSTM algorithm delivers a comprehensive and robust tool for developers and auditors to enhance smart contract security. Objective: to develop an efficient and reliable smart contract vulnerability detection tool using a hybrid approach of deep learning to identify and analysis the other major vulnerabilities such as a unchecked send and transaction to enhance the security, trust, and robustness of blockchain application by enabling developers to productively detect and migrate existing system. Defender detects re-entry vulnerability through transaction level train analysis, enhancing blockchain security. DeFi scanner combines static and dynamic analysis to uncover logic vulnerabilities in real world DeFi smart contract proposed system. User uploads a smart contract via web for vulnerability analysis. Backend process the contract using deep learning and token matching techniques. Solidity code is analyzed by deep learning. Assembly code is matched with known vulnerability signature. Hardware requirements is processor standard processor, RAM is 8 GB, hard disk is 15 GB. Software requirements: operating system Windows 10, programming language is Python, versions 3.11.0, libraries and framework TensorFlow, Keras, Pandas, NumPy, Skitlane, Flask or framework. Modules: vulnerability classification module, code pattern detection module, knowledge based module, static analysis engine, security scoring system, visualization module, reporting and suggestions module. Vulnerability classification module categories smart contract issues into types such as a re-entity, integer, overflow, access control. Knowledge based module stores documented vulnerabilities along with their cases, example, and migrates strategies. Security scoring system evaluate the overall risk of the smart contract based of detection vulnerability. Reporting a suggestions module generates a security report with detected issues and suggests best practice or fixes. This is a project output screenshot. Conclusion: the smart contract vulnerability by Caden Jeffrell services as a valuable open source resource for identifying, and migrating common uses in Ethereum based smart contracts. This reference is a intuitive for developers, researchers, and editors aiming to build more result oriented application and contribute significantly to the field of smart contract security. We are using the reference this site. And finally, thank you.